So, this is the finished product of the floor. This is my bathroom, and we'll go around and look at it. Don't mind the trash. Trash goes out tomorrow. So, I did it in 3 different colors or 4 different colors. I forgot. 4 different colors. But then I did the colors together. And I used this as a blank canvas as if I was painting on a canvas. And like I said, I haven't done abstract in a long time. But I enjoyed doing it. This is not my first rodeo. This isn't my first floor that I've done. But this is the first time that I've ever did it quite this way. I've done it with stencils and things like that. Now, my next thing is this sink. My husband was going to get a new sink, and I'm like, no, we're not. I'm going to redo it. And he's like, okay. So I'm going to redo that. That's my next thing. So, if you like this, like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comments section, and I will see you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. As always,